How to activate TD Bank Visa credit card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to td.com. Now on this web page, you want to click on the option of Login. Once you click on this option on the login portal, you will first have to enter your details. Start by entering your username, then enter your password. In case you want to remember all of these details, you want to check the box that says Remember Me. Then you want to click on the login option. Once you have been logged in, you want to navigate to the section for credit cards. This is found under the Accounts option. Now you want to locate to the option to activate a new credit card. It is going to be labeled as Activate Card. Click on that option. Once you click on that option, you will be prompted to enter your new TD Bank Visa credit card information, including your card number, expiration date, and security code, which is CVV number. For security purposes, you may need to verify your identity by providing additional information such as your date of birth, social security number, and any other personal details. Double check the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Once verified, you want to submit the activation request. After successfully activating your TD Bank Visa card online, you should receive a confirmation message or email confirming that your card is now active and ready to use. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.